This is the tool aid number 19,000 wire stripper. It's for use with 12 to 22 gauge wire. It cuts and strips solid and stranded wire with nick-free results. You have your built-in cutter, and you have the stripping portion of the tool. On the lower jaw, you'll see graduations, which will help you determine how much insulation you want to take off. To use the tool, just insert the wire, squeeze the handles. The wire will strip, giving you a perfect strip with nick-free results, and you're well set to go.